Everything in this video is based on my own personal study and online searches. Some viewers may disagree with me relying on what they've heard about their forefathers, but mostly because Somalis were poets, and poetry was treasured back then. They weren't transcribing their history, however, they passed it down orally. Somalia is a country in the Horn of Africa, bordering the Gulf of Aden and the Indian Ocean, with some of the world's most compassionate and generous people, but also some of the world's most ignorant people, due to the fact that they are still fighting over one of the insignificant reasons that are founded on tribal reasons, a clan issue that has no bearing on day-to-day living. Somalia was earlier known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean, Switzerland of Africa, and a variety of other names. But, over 5 decades, Somalia has devolved into a haven for terrorism, unscrupulous leaders, and disorder.